Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite. And in this video, we're going to dive in and talk a little bit more about how anybody can get access to business credit. So remember, when we're talking about business credit, we're talking about credit that's in your business name. It's linked to your business EIN. Okay, this is for a business. It's not linked to you personally, so it's not linked to your personal social security number. Now, with using business credit, you're basically looking at about 4 types of credit that you're really going to get. You start with these vendor accounts. They're like net 30 accounts where you can buy printers and office supplies and all this stuff from places like Uline and Quill. Then you start getting retail credit at every major retailer from Amazon and Walmart to Sam's Club and Costco to Home Depot and Lowe's to Office Depot and Sam's Club or Staples. You get fleet credit, auto vehicle repairs, maintenance, fuel. Then you can get Visa cards, MasterCards, American Express cards, even auto vehicle financing, all this without a guarantee and without a credit check. And you can also get approved regardless of personal credit quality when you build it the right way, because you're either not supplying the social security number on the application, or nowadays they're going to make you supply it if it credit's issued by a major bank only for identification purposes, but you're not giving them the authority to pull your personal credit. So because of that, there's not even a personal credit pull, and your personal credit quality doesn't matter. So that means you're able to get high limit credit accounts, 10, 20, 30, 40,000, regardless of personal credit, no matter how bad that credit may be, because personal credit doesn't even matter, doesn't even factor into the qualification. It's also nice to know that even startups can get business credit. It's actually perfect for startups because most of the major banks won't lend to businesses unless you've been open for 3 years or more. Okay. But even the most popular type of financing, cash flow financing, requires 1 year in business to even get approved. And most consumer credit card approvals are based on personal credit as well. But with business credit, even a startup can get loads of new credit without any of these. You don't need cash flow. You don't need credit. You don't need collateral. I call this the 3 C's formula. If you want to get a loan or a credit line for your business, you need one of 3 C's: cash flow, credit, or collateral, one of those. Business credit is one of the only ways you can get money for a business without cash flow, without credit, without collateral, which means it works for every business, works for nonprofits, works for startups, works for high-risk industries. That means you're able to get, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 individual credit card limit accounts, regardless of any of these things, and you're also able to do it very quickly. Now, business credit's perfect for businesses that don't have or want to show financials either. Because look, let's be honest, business owners, we write off all the expenses we can, which leaves a very small net profit, which is what most lenders and investors look at most. It's why getting money from the big banks is so hard to do. Business credit doesn't look at your tax returns, your financials, P&Ls. It doesn't look at your bank statements. A business with no cash flow can get approved for very high limit accounts, okay, helping you grow the business. Okay, tax returns aren't looked at either. So if the business shows a loss, that doesn't even matter. All these factors that help you get denied for loans you don't have here. And again, as I mentioned, you don't need collateral. Most lending requires collateral for approval because most businesses fail. The risk is high of the loan defaulting, and the lender wants collateral for that debt. That's why most conventional lenders make it so hard to get money. They aren't set up for this type of risk. It's also why SBA requires all business assets, even your personal assets, be used as collateral. If you try to get an SBA loan, they want to collateralize your personal home. Okay, they want to use everything in the business and everything individually as collateral. We had a client the other day that was going to get a $300,000 loan with SBA, has $1.2 million in account receivables, and yet SBA still asked for them to use their home as collateral as well. So again, without having business and personal collateral, you can't really get SBA loans. Business credit are the only ways to get money without providing collateral, without that cash flow, without that credit, without the collateral. So 90% of the general population really knows nothing about what I'm teaching you. They don't know anything about business credit. And now that you do, you really have a huge competitive advantage because it's easier to grow a business when you have access to revolving credit. You can test advertising easier. You can make mistakes without risking it all. And when you have access to capital, you just have a big advantage that your competitors simply don't. But that's only really the beginning. There's a lot of benefits of business credit that you should know about. I mean, you could build it independent of personal credit, as we talked about. You could build it quick. Anybody can see those business credit reports. So it's really your reputation, because even your customers and competitors can see it. It protects your personal assets. As I mentioned earlier, there's no personal guarantees or liability there. It increases the value of your business. It effectively doubles your borrowing ability because you have consumer and business credit cards now. Even startups can get it, as we mentioned, because you don't need the financials or collateral. It gives you a huge competitive advantage when you have access to the money, which is why all the big businesses have it. And look, having, the majority of businesses fail because of management mistakes and not having access to capital. You always want to get money before you need it. By having money available for you before you need it, then you actually can tap into it when you do need it and help avert a catastrophe or, go for major expansion. There's just so many benefits of having access to capital before you even need it. So for more information on this, get in touch with us. There's 3 things we do here at Credit Suite. We help you get money for your business by improving your fundability, by helping you become more fundable to lenders. We help build your business credit without a personal guarantee and credit check. And we help you access all kinds of loans and credit lines. So if you're looking for money for your business, let us help. 877-600-2487, info@creditsuite.com, or go to creditsuite.com. The top right of our page, you'll find a lot of free training. You can go, we go live on YouTube and Facebook weekly. We release podcast episodes every week, amongst having many other training resources that are all designed to help you get money to grow your business. So visit us online at creditsuite.com. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.